Now, today's weather system really is not going to have much of an impact at all. It's going to be heading over the northern Rockies. Tail end of that is a weak, dry, cold front that'll move through later this afternoon into this evening. It might bring a few light snow showers to the mountains of the far north. Otherwise, some mid and high level clouds associated with that as it brushes by late in the day. But other than that, it really doesn't look like it'll have much of an impact. In fact, out ahead of it, we'll get some wind initially out of the south, and that'll help the temperature in Salt Lake climb up to 49, higher than it has so far this week. We start out sunny. It'll become partly cloudy by late afternoon with a little bit of a breeze out of the northwest by then. And again, in general, partly cloudy over the north, while over central and southern Utah, it should be mostly sunny. You make it into the mid-30s in Vernal this afternoon, low 50s in a lot of the western valleys, near 60 in Kanab, and right up to 60 in St. George this afternoon. We'll hang on to clear skies in the south overnight. You'll drop down into the low 30s in St. George and warm up even more over the next couple of days. In fact, sunny, low to mid 60s over the weekend, and then partly cloudy and dropping into the upper 50s on President's Day. Northern Utah, it'll become partly cloudy again tomorrow. We'll make it up into the mid-40s. It'll be that warm on Sunday. So as our next storm moves in, initially what we get in the valleys is mainly going to be rain with heavy snow possible in the mountains by the end of the weekend. But it'll get cold enough by Sunday evening. We'll get a rain-snow mix in the valleys. It'll likely change over entirely to snow Sunday night into Monday morning. But we'll be on the tail end of the storm, so we might not get that much down on the valley floor. In fact, even with the storm coming through, temperature on President's Day will climb well above freezing with a high of 38 expected in Salt Lake City.